Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. This morning I am going to fix a chuck pot roast. I'm going to add some baby carrots, 4 cups of baby carrots, some red potatoes. They are bigger than what I usually use, but I'll just slice them in two. We're going to do an onion, slice it up, and I am going to take a can of mushroom soup and some beef broth and put on top of it. So let's just get started. I have got the 4 cups of carrots already washed, cleaned up. The potatoes I've got washed and trimmed up. Now all I'm going to do is cut up my onions and put my roast beef, and I'm going to use the crock pot today. So let's just get everything together and get started. Okay, I always set my crock pot on top of 2 pieces of tile to keep the heat from going down to my counter. So we'll get the crock pot ready. Okay, we're first going to put our carrots in there. I have 4 cups of carrots, and I did go through them and cut off anything that I didn't think looked good. So we're going to put the carrots in the crock pot. These are my potatoes. Now the red potatoes, if you get the little ones, you don't have to cut up. But since these are not as small as I really wanted them, but this is what I've got. So we're going to put those in there. And I've got 1 large onion, which actually looks like about 3 cups of onions. And we're just going to dump those in there. And I'm going to lay my beef on top. You always need to put your vegetables on the bottom. This is my roast that I have bought. We're just going to lay that on top. It's just a chuck roast. And I'm going to pour a can of mushroom soup. Take your mushroom soup, put it in I put it in a measuring cup. Then I just fill the can that I've just dumped out my mushroom soup with beef broth. And mix it together. Take your beef broth and your mushroom soup, mix together. A little bit. It's going to blend pretty much anyway. And pour it over your potatoes, your carrots, and your onions. And I've got everything in one pot. Put the lid on it. And I'm going to put mine on high because I'm going to be home for today. And we'll just check on the meat. And the thing about cooking in a crock pot is once you get your stuff in there, don't keep lifting the lid. Because every time you lift the lid, you let all the steam out. And it just takes a longer time to cook. And a lot of time when you have meat, it'll make your meat turn out like mushy. Or not as good. So when you put your stuff in there, put the top on it, set the timer if you would like a timer, and let it cook. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Make sure you join my channel, give me your comments, and we'll be back in a couple of hours. Okay, this has been cooking about 4 or 5 hours, so let's just give it a shot and see what we've got. Ooh, it does smell good. We'll check and see if the meat is done. Oh yes, definitely done. It says medium. Well, that says well done. Okay, so we're going to take it out and fix us a plate. Okay, we are now going to take this out. Whoops, it has just fell off. It has just fell apart. So that is definitely done. There is no doubt about that. I hope y'all can see this just falling apart. This was all one piece of meat. And now I have 3 pieces. Okay, we're just going to cut off. Well, it fell apart. It is in 3 pieces. So I'm just going to take a piece that fell apart. And put us some carrots and onions and potatoes around it. And you actually have your complete meal right here. But let me show you how it is so done. It is definitely done, no doubt about it. I can actually cut this with my fork. Do you see me cutting this meat with my fork? Look at that. Okay, I'm going to put some salt and pepper on it. And I think this is just going to be my dinner just like this. Nothing world but a chuck roast, potatoes, carrots, and onions. I'm going to put salt and pepper on it. Join my channel, give me your comments, and definitely come back to see me. And I just wish y'all could see and smell how this looks, and just how easy it is just to cut it. And again, around the house with Kay and Tom. I will talk with you later.